It's something that I think is going to resonate with a lot of your listeners because the digital out of home space has an inventory, querying and inventory availability challenge that is, I think, unique versus like the broader digital space. And so with them, they have a bunch of gas stations and they sell on an impression basis, but the gas stations all run on a loop. And so once you are on a gas station, you for all of on that loop and you have all of those impressions. So figuring out how much inventory do I have based off of like all of the parameters that I'm putting in, location, all that stuff was a real challenge. And they would basically take data from Vistar, their execution ad server, for lack of a better term, CMS. And then they also had internal metrics that they would massage, that they would hold elsewhere. And we needed to marry those two things together and be able to present them an inventory availability answer that they were just kind of having to do manually over and over again. So it was a huge challenge because you'd have these deals, you'd have to figure out, how much inventory do we have? Because you weren't sure, oftentimes you have to oversell, and now you're losing money because you could be being more efficient and selling to somebody else those impressions that you're essentially over committing so that you don't get in an under delivery situation. And so we built an integration to their proprietary system to get both availability as well as forecast numbers. And then we also built some automation tools that enable them to basically say, here's the stuff that I care about.